Alright, welcome back. So, today I want to break down something you've probably heard mentioned a million times: REST APIs. Whether you're brand new to coding or just looking to fill in some gaps, don't worry, I got you covered. We'll keep things simple, straightforward, and practical. Let's get into it. So, first, what's an API? And why do developers always talk about REST? Well, API stands for Application Programming Interface. Basically, it's how software communicates. Think of it like ordering pizza. You call, you place an order, and it arrives at your doorstep. APIs work similarly. You send a request, and you get a response. But REST is scary sounding thing. It's just a popular way to structure these requests and responses. REST stands for Representational State Transfer. Don't even stress about the name. Just remember, REST uses simple HTTP methods like get, post, put, and delete to interact with data. Let's do a real example. Suppose we want to grab some data, maybe a list of users from a server. We make what's called a GET request. Here's how you do it in JavaScript, with literally just a couple lines of code. And just like that, boom, we got our data. But what if we want to send data, maybe create something new, like a user account? Easy. We use a POST request, check it out. Just like before, this sends our info to the server and we get confirmation back. Simple, right? Now, every time you send a request, the server gives you a status code. From 100 to 500, the most common ones. 200 means everything's perfect. 404 means something wasn't found. 500 means something broke on the server side. Keep these codes in mind, they'll save you lots of headaches. Look, REST APIs are everywhere. Apps on your phone, websites you browse daily, even the smart gadgets in your home, all of them use APIs behind the scenes. Mastering this stuff will seriously level up your skills. Alright, hope this cleared things up. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, it really helps out the channel. If you're new here, hit subscribe, join the community, and let me know down in the comments what topic you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.